Well, good evening, everybody. This is Flying Crow. Thought I'd give you a little update on what's been going on. As you can see in front of me, I had the opportunity to purchase another engine, a Jeep 7. This is from Discount Model Trains in Dallas, Addison, Texas. So I was lucky enough to go there and find this nice Jeep 7. It's a Walthers Proto. It's just a DC, so what I'm going to have to do is add a decoder and all to it. So, but it's brand new, lucky to find it, kind of new old stock, and it's in really good condition. So, thought that was a good find. You know, I usually don't don't find something that good when I'm out, but I going to another railroad show in Plano, Texas, in a couple weeks. So hopefully I'll get a good haul from there. So the next thing, I went to T&T Hobbies over in Shreveport, Louisiana, and was lucky enough to find a few things. First of all, this Milwaukee Road boxcar. And the next thing were these two Athearn tank cars. These this GATX tank car and QLF one. So I haven't taken them out of the box yet because since I'm moving my layout, I don't want to pull out too many cars, and that's why they're still in the box. So a couple other things that I was able to get. This Missouri Pacific truck. I needed some cabs, so I was lucky enough to get that with a 40-foot trailer. And if you remember back in the 70s, trailers max length was 40 feet on a single trailer. So then I found this UP trailer. Lucky enough to find all of this stuff there. And then two Southern Pacific trailers. So they are actually both different numbers, which was good. And then one more, I got a double set of Western Pacific trailers, all Concors. So nice looking, work good in my piggyback tracks, and I probably need to find some more flat cars is what I need to do. I've got several that need to be built. So anyway, that was my haul that I got from T&T over in Shreveport, and then also the Jeep 7 from Discount Model Trains in Addison, Texas. So I'm gonna cut it here and go downstairs and show you my progress on the new train room, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so now here I am down in the garage just to show you I really have been working on my train room. Here is the framing's all done, so I'll step down and show you that. And then also you'll notice I got a new light. It's an LED light. I think that's, I'm not much on modern technology, but I really like these new LED panels, and as you can see, this is a fairly bright one. So I'm going to get one more of those to put in under the short ceiling. So and of course I had to do a short ceiling here because the garage door needs to open, and that's why I did that. So you can see how the layout's gonna fit in this room. Actually what I'm gonna do is I'll walk around here, and there's the door. I'm going to have a duct under there because the first level is going to be, my yard's going to be on the first level. So that's the side the yard's going to be on. I'm going to have a whole, this room's 19.3 by 9.5 feet. So the yard's going to be on this side. And the helix is going to be against that wall. I've got as you can see, the wall angles a little bit over to here, and then I've got a flat wall where it straightens out to the 9 foot 3 dimension. but that's that's 6.5 feet along this wall, and this is where I'm going to run my double helixes. So there's going to be a Y right here at about the 4-foot mark, about just before the opening of the door frame, and the Y is going to come around this wall, and I'm actually going to drop it a little bit so I can do a run around underneath the yard about 4 inches, and then go into the helix over here. So when it comes out of the helix, going to make another loop around. Going to be every level is going to have a couple of industries. I believe I counted, and between Minden and Bossier or Shreveport, there were about 9 industries that I can model, and I feel I can get them all in, so that's a good thing. So once it comes around again, it's going to go into the second level of the helix. So I'm actually going to have 3 levels, 4 if you count that short drop around the room. But it's going to start, I'm going to try to start about 55 inches up, and each level is going to be about a 15-inch drop. So I think that'll be good, especially with the double helix. I'll get a lot of time, and that's one thing I wanted too. I didn't want to seem like it was just an oval and it'd run around in about 30 seconds. So I think the 2 helixes, I'll get a lot of good time there and distance on those. But anyway, this is the train room so far. Like I said, I'm going to put another light here when I drywall the ceiling, and then believe it or not, even though it's in the garage, I've got a good place to run vents from the air conditioner, so I can run a good vent and return into this room. So year round it'll stay a comfortable temperature. I won't have to worry about it getting too hot or too cold in here. So, and then of course I'm going to insulate everything. So that's my report, and I'm going to keep working on the train room here. I'm going to have to, next step is to course the drywall, and that's it for this time, and I'll give you another update as soon as I have some more done, and get back from the train show, hopefully with a good haul, in a few weeks. So take it easy, and I hope everybody had a good Christmas and happy and safe New Year, and I'll see you next time.